So, how to choose a profitable niche? If you are really concerned about how to go about your Amazon KDP or about choosing a profitable niche, then you are in the right place. So, because most times the niche you choose determine how good you will be. As in, you have to choose just one niche, and the niche you choose is what you should stick on. Don't change niche. Changing niche might keep you there without making any sales. So, let me see. So, this your KDP website. Then you have to choose your category. You can slide this place. These are all the categories on your KDP account. These are all the categories. Then you have to choose. If you have to choose any niche, you check them one by one to see the type of books that has been published under those niche. Now this self-help. So you can know if you have to go into such niche. The next conversation. Now that I did this book got my account terminated. Man, it was so painful. Thinking fast and slow. This and that self-help book. Open way. Think and grow rich. This and that self-help book. So you look at them. You look at the type of niche that on Amazon store. We have romance, mystery, and thriller, which is fictions. Now we have the fictions. Now all these comics and manga, literature. Now all those are fiction books. Then non-fictions, we have a history. We have history, computer, calendar, business and money, biography, parenting, self-help, travel guides, and all that. So under children books, we have editor speak, teacher award, and we have all other type of books. So depending on which one you want to go into. So now under self-help, because you have to find a topic or a title and make a research on it to see the competition and to see if it's something you can do. Thinking fast and slow. Let me thinking fast and slow. So you can see we have 11 book 11 book results showing here. So which means it has less competition. But writing on a book like this is highly risky because you have to check if the other books rating under this title, because this is a bestseller book. And to write a bestseller book, you need to do a lot of research to be sure that book will not implicate your account. Because one bad book in an account can destroy other books. Like one bad books in an account can destroy other good books in your account. Just one can affect other good books now you have done in the past. Now Amazon don't want to know what happened. As in, once they tell you that you are against their rules, now there's nothing you can say to stop them from taking their decision. So we have thinking fast and slow. What's the title say? Thinking fast and slow. We have this another book from another author, Thinking Fast and Slow. Well, it is a bestseller too. So I can see another one too, Thinking Fast and Slow, Chinese edition. Oh, be that same author book. Critical thinking and logical problem. So I can see some books under the same bestseller books now which are on Amazon. So this is a strong signal that such books is good for you to write about. But before you write, there's a tool called uspto.government. That tool is what you use to do your research to know if this title is a very good title you can model. So again, if the title is not registered, then you are free to model it. Now you don't have issue. But if it is registered, for your goodness sake, don't write the book. For your account sake, if you love your account, stay away if it is registered. But if it is not registered, you are free to write such books. So once you have find out the niche, or another way to also find out another way to also to find out the niche you want to do is by subscribing to BookBeam. So I have a BookBeam account. So let me take it there. BookBeam will let you know the niche that you can do and the niche that you can do. So it will make you selective. So there are different prices on BookBeam in which you can subscribe for in a month or in a year. And I think the cheapest amount you can subscribe for in a month is $28. Yeah. So you can see this BookBeam. This is how your front page will look like once you sign in. So once you sign in, you can see this niche finder. Go to tool. You can just click on go to tool where you see your niche finder. So this niche finder will help you find the niche that you are capable of doing. So you can set the parameters. New self-publishing books, top self-publishing books. So once you finish setting it, you will click on find books. So it will give you the top books in which you can it will give you the top niche in which you can start working on. That's if you don't know the niche you want to do. BookBeam is another tool you can use to find your niche. So you can see coloring book, children's book. But though now I don't advise you to go into children's book. BSR 442. Wow, it has low BSR. Average sales 3,700. Okay, so let me adjust this. So let me adjust it. Click on finder. It will the filter will give you the top selling books and their niche. K-pop demon hunters, self-love, sports devotion. Okay, so these are niche that a BookBeam is suggesting for us, in which we can go into. Mediterranean diet for seniors. That's cookbook. So looking at all this niche here, any niche you discover, there's any title you discover, you will go to Amazon and make research of that title. So let's see, super simple Mediterranean diet for seniors. Okay, let's go to Amazon and search for it. Super simple Mediterranean diet for seniors. Super simple Mediterranean diet for seniors. So you will search the title here to see the competitors under a cookbook niche and under the book title you are trying to model. So this is a book I saw on a book beam. You can see it is a bestseller also. So you see this filter, click on it. What's wrong? So you can see the search results is just 175 book titles published under this title. So just only 175 results. That's a sign that this book is something you can model. Yes, this is something you can model and write. And if you have money, I would advise you to push the book and buy reviews so you can make more sales and beat your competitors. That's how it works. That's how you choose your niche. And any niche you choose, stick to that niche. Don't change niche so you can make enough sales.